Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today I'll show you how to find MAC address in Windows system. So let's get started. Go to the start and search for command prompt. Just click on it. Once it has been opened, type get MAC and press enter. This is the first way to find the MAC address. If suppose you are connected with the LAN and Wi-Fi both, so you will not able to find the exact MAC address for the physical device. So you need to type it ipconfig space slash all. When you will hit enter key, you will find this type of data. Now as you can see over here, it is clearly mentioned Ethernet adapter, and the Ethernet adapter MAC address is written over here, and the second option is wireless LAN adapter, and the wireless MAC address is written over here, same as you can find for the others also. Even you can find the Bluetooth MAC address also if you wanted to. This is the easiest way to find the MAC address if you want to specify the correct MAC address along with their network. Thanks for watching.